Previous hearing,
Full choice. This one.
Juan Jose San Andres. Okay. Miss Gobaton, just for the record, ano ang trabaho mo sa BOC ulit?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. As a customs examiner po, I check the documents, the veracity of its quantity, and then check also the necessary license or permit to be submitted in the Bureau. And we also do the conduct of examination and computation of duties and taxes, sir.
Yes. Kasama ba sa trabaho mo yung pagsama sa mga transported goods na underguard
Yes, sir.
as
Yes,
an
Mr. Chair.
examiner?
Yes, yes, sir. As indicated po in the mission order po.
Who instructed you to comply or to escort the goods that were being delivered supposedly to Valenzuela, before that Angat? Who instructed you?
Sir, it was actually the request of the consignee uh, upon the ano po,
Why
district collector
why
po.
are you unsure of your answer?
Sir, I'm just I'm not feeling well po kasi pasensya na po. Medyo lang po ako.
Upon the
Nervous.
instruction of
District collector po.
who is your district collector then?
Our district collector is Mr. Noel Estanislao po.
You mean to say the consignee has the authority or
Ano po, sir?
to request? Has the power?
Meron po silang right to request for an examination po. Pero upon approval of the district collector po.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, sir.
May I-
Yes, Senator Erwin.
nasa policy ba ninyo yan? Yang escortan mo, yung kargamento na yan. Pagkaintindi ko, dapat doon ka lang sa warehouse or kung hindi, dyan mismo sa pier. Are you telling this committee na kailangan mo escortan? Ano ka, police? Ano ka, intelligence? Examiner ka, di ba? Dapat doon ka lang sa warehouse. Why do you have to accompany that cargo? Except na lang siguro kung may talagang personal instruction ang collector mo. Does it say in your duty na nasa pulisiya ba yan? Nasa rules, regulation ng customs? Meron kayong official dito. I will be asking. Ano yung ginawa mo? Or what it was just a personal instruction sa iyo na samahan mo itong kargamento na ito para walang gumalaw dahil baka along the highway harangin ng PNP, harangin ng NBI, harangin ng mga otoridad. No, you answer me. Don't ask questions doon sa katabi mo.
Yes po, discretion po ng collector din.
So, hindi talaga part ng trabaho mo yun. Inutusan ka lang. Ginawa kang yaya ng kargamento na yon. Tama? Yes or no lang. Tama. Yes or no. Kasi hindi mo naman talaga trabaho yan mag-escort. Ano ka? Intelligence? Ano ka? Custom police? Miyembro ka ng CIIS? Examiner ka, di ba? Either you examine the goods dun sa pier o doon sa warehouse kung saan babagsak yon, doon mo examinin. Hindi habang nagtatravel. Di ba? Yes or no?
Yes po.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. In other words, hindi mo talaga trabaho ito. Pinakiusapan ka ng Subic collector na si Mr. Stanislao. Tama?
Yes, Mr.
Okay.